Hi all. Very happy afternoon to each and everyone. I hope I am clearly audible. I am clearly visible. Kindly reply. Everybody who are watching me in multiple streams, kindly reply if everything it is clear. Very interesting session that we are going to discuss today, where from last 4 to 5 days, I am doing a lot of research on how the questions are developed. Let me first see if everything is clear. Very interesting class we are going to discuss. Kindly, in case if anybody is alive right now, kindly reply. If everything is clear, then we will start the class. How the questions are developed? Yes. We are live, audio is perfectly clear. Anybody who is watching right now, kindly reply everybody. Now, from last few days, I was doing a research on from where the CAT questions are picked it up, from where the SSC questions are picked it up. So I was analyzing the last 5 years of CAT papers, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the latest CAT paper. What I understood is, the CAT paper consists of questions which are very logical by nature. So I was trying to Google it out, from where the questions are picked, which are very logical by nature. This is one amazing class. I really enjoyed when this sheet is being created. I'm sure any student who is preparing for CAT exam coaching or probably SSC level coaching will fall in love. Almost none of the question you are going to see it in any of the Indian educational channels. I have taken the questions from some previous year Spanish Olympiads or French Olympiads, and I customized it as per the Indian examination. Very interesting class. Any student who loves mathematics will fall in love with the class. Kindly reply everybody. Now, the questions which we are going to discuss are the best aptitude questions. None of the questions you will see it in any of the regular channels. You will realize in the first few questions, each and every question, whatever we are doing, is a gem of a question. You will learn a lot from each and every question. 2 sessions I will discuss, session number 1 and session number 2. In case if you are a user watching this session, you want to enroll for any of the classes, this class, for the enrolled students, you can watch it again and again. For the non-enrolled students, it will not be available for further viewing. You can always download ANC app because the class is not available for further viewing. All the students who are watching it in YouTube channel, kindly watch it again and again. Further viewing, we are giving facility to the paid students. Classroom notes PDF you will get. Thematic based learning. What is thematic based learning? You will understand it. All the classes are taken by me, topic wise test, unlimited number of times you can watch it. You can watch the content in desktop, laptop, tablet mode, as well as the mobile app. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. I do not want any student to miss any of the sessions, because if you miss a session, the class will not be available again for further viewing. Kindly like the video. In case if you are enjoying the content, subscribe to the channel so that the YouTube will give a notification. Click on the bell icon so that you will get notified. Those of you who are watching my class for the first time, listen carefully to each and every problem. I use a thematic based learning, which is considered to be the best educational learning all over the world. I will take a question, I will discuss the concept, I will discuss all the problems where this concept can be used. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Must and should watch lecture for any student who is preparing for SSC CAT examination or the school kids who are going to write some Olympiad examination. In case if you got any doubt, kindly WhatsApp 80500678891 regarding this sheet. This entire class question PDF is already present in the Telegram group. In case if anybody wants to see the entire question PDF, kindly WhatsApp these numbers so that my team will forward you to the Telegram link. Watch the entire lecture. Do not miss in between. Kindly do not miss in between. Be polite in case if you want to ask a doubt, please ask only doubt. Generally in my class, only academic charts will happen. If you get into any of the non-academic discussion, probably we will ignore it. Very, very interesting class. Are you all ready? Shall we all start the class? What I will do is, as I told you, every question is a best question. I want students to learn Anil Nair's way of solving the question. So I will keep a question here. I will keep a question here. I will keep 1 minute timer for you so that you can do some kind of pen pushing in the question. You can spend some time on this question, right? Probably after that you can watch Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Please remember, questions are not important. The way I solve, the way you learn concepts are important. Are you all ready? Shall we start the class? Kindly reply everybody. Any issues are there? Spend some time on this question, right? Probably after that. I think any student who is watching, I think in my class, there is no echo sound here. Students are saying that there is an echo sound. Other students kindly reply if everything it is clear. I think any student who is watching, I think in my class, there is no echo sound here. Students are saying that there is an echo sound. 1 minute. Let me check it out if there is any echo sound. Everybody kindly reply. All clear? Akshati is saying all clear. Abhimanyu, I hope the audio issue is resolved. I hope the audio issue is resolved. Now let us see. None of the question, whatever. Let me do a final check. Yes, Akshat says all clear. Santosh says all clear. Akshat is saying all clear. Right. Let us get into the problem. First question, see here. None of the question what you are saying, you will find it in any of the websites. You can say it, you can check, you can spend time, you can share this question with all your faculties. None of the question you will find it in Google, sir. First question, find a comma b. 4 minus a by b equivalent to 5 minus b by a equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. So what I'll do is, like I said, I'll give you 1 minute timer. 1 minute timer. Take 1 minute, try to solve. Try to solve this question, 1 minute time. Please keep your answers. Please keep your answers. This is the question. Fantastic session it is going to be. Mark my words. By the end of this session, you will learn a lot of concepts. Question is, 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a, equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. I will tell you a structure how you should solve mathematical problems. How you should solve mathematical problems. 4 minus a by b. In case if you are getting answers anywhere, kindly keep your answers in the live chat. Keep your answers in the live chat. Question is, 4 minus a by b equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. 10 by a square plus b square. So almost we are going to be tying up. Now, listen carefully. Question is, 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. How you should actually solve mathematics is, first you should read the question. First read the question. For me, reading the question means half the solution I will get. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. Okay, let me read the question. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a is equivalent to 10 by a square plus b square. First term denominator it is b. Here I got b square, okay. Second term denominator it is a. Here I got a square. That means by reading the question itself, what I will do is, I will take the first two terms, 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a. Here a square it is there, here b square it is there. So I will multiply this by b numerator and denominator. 4 minus a into b by b into b, b square. 5 minus b into a by a into a square. Are you all with me? So why I did it? Because denominator in the third term is giving me a hint that it is a square plus b square. A square means denominator it is a, multiply it by a numerator and denominator, multiply it by b numerator and denominator. That is the first hint which I got when I read the question. Then he is asking a square plus b square. That means denominators I have to add. Denominators I have to add. Now concept. Concept, listen carefully. Concept, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 is equivalent to 3 by 6. 2 by 4 it is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 it is 1 by 2. There are three different fractions are there. One fraction it is an optimized version, another are derived version. There are three fractions where the value wise all are equal. 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. It is equivalent to sum of the numerators 1 plus 2 plus 3 by sum of the denominators. Can I say 1 plus 2 plus 3 it is 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6 it is 12, 6 by 12 it is 1 by 2. Okay, that means if fractions are given, it can be written as sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. Sir, is it only sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators? No. It can also be equivalent to square root of sum of the squares of the numerators by sum of the squares of the denominators. Are you all with me? If I take 2 square common in the denominator, I will get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. It will get cancelled. Root of 1 by 4, it is 1 by 2. Is it only square root? No. It is also equivalent to cubed root of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. 2 cube common, cubed root of 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. Very, very important relationship. Very, very important relationship. First point it is clear. Sir, from where you got this idea? First I got this idea, denominator it is a square. I multiplied numerator and denominator by a. Then it is b square. I multiplied numerator and denominator by b. Right? Then a square plus b square. That means I have to add it. Two different fractions are there. If I add denominators, numerators will also get added. I hope the first concept it is clear. That means if you see here 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4 plus 6, ideally if a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3 are the sides of one triangle, A4, A5, A6 are the sides of another triangle. Ratio of the corresponding sides A1 by A4 equivalent to A2 by A5 equivalent to A3 by A6. That means if two triangles are similar, A1, A2, A3 are one sides triangle, A4, A5, A6 are another sides of a triangle. Another sides of a triangle. Ratio of the sides of a triangle is equivalent to ratio of the perimeters. Ratio of the corresponding sides of a triangle. What are all these? These are the sides of a triangle. If I take the corresponding sides ratio A1 by A4, it is equivalent to ratio of the sum of the perimeters of two similar triangles. This is derived from this property. I hope this concept it is clear. We will park this one. First we will understand this example. Understand this example. There is a CAT question based on this one. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by K. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A. It is equivalent to C plus A by B. It is equivalent to K. Find K. Find K. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A equivalent to C plus A by B. Find K. If nothing is given, A, B, C are real numbers. If nothing is given in all our examination, if the domain of variables is not given, then it is a real number. A plus B by C is equivalent to B plus C by A. Just by looking at these first concept, what we discussed, side ratios it is given, it is equivalent to A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. 2 into A plus B plus C by A plus B plus C. This will get cancelled. Most of the students will tick mark the answer as 2. Most of the students will tick mark the answer as 2. Answer is definitely true. This is 2. Only denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. If the denominator is equivalent to 0, because A, B, C are real number, chances are there. A plus B is equivalent to minus C. A plus B by C is equivalent to minus 1. A plus B plus C is equivalent to minus 1. So answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. Answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. This is an original CAT previous year question. Original CAT previous year question. Idea is take that question and elevate the concept and create a question and discuss it in the class. This is an original CAT PYQ question. Sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. DR represents denominator. DR represents denominator. I hope the concept it is clear. Denominator cannot be equivalent to 0. So A plus B by C is equivalent to minus 1. A plus B by C is equivalent to K. K is equivalent to minus 1. Answer for this question is minus 1 and 2. Another concept. Write down one by one all the concept. Concept 2. 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. If two fractions are given, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. It is also equivalent to difference between the numerators by difference between the denominators. Difference between the numerators by difference between the denominators. A1 by A2 is equivalent to A3 by A4. It is equivalent to A1 minus A3 by A2 minus A4. A2 minus A4 should not be equivalent to 0. A2 minus A4 should not be equivalent to 0. If two fractions are given, it is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. It is also equivalent to difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. Difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. So what we did, we stopped here. What we did, we have discussed the concept. We discussed the concept. If different fractions are there, sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. In a triangle, perimeter is start at a vertex, go through the edge points, connect all the vertices and come back to the original source. So if two triangles are similar, ratio of their corresponding sides is equivalent to ratio of their perimeter. This is the concept. I hope it is clear. Similarly, square root we can do, cube the root we can do, nth root also we can do. This is the first concept. This is the second concept. One CAT previous year question. I will also tell you how similar these questions, whatever we are discussing, are closer to the examination standard. Now let us see the question. What is the question? 4 minus A, where we got till here. 4 minus A by B is equivalent to, what is that question? 5 minus B by A. 5 minus B by A is equivalent to 10 by A square plus B square. 10 by A square plus B square. Now listen carefully. So what I did, I multiplied by B. 4B minus AB by B square is equivalent to 5A minus AB by A square. It is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. 5A plus 4B minus AB minus 2AB by A square plus B square. It is given in the question as 10 by A square plus B square. Denominators are same. So 5A plus 4B minus 2AB is equivalent to 10. 5a plus 4b minus 2ab is equivalent to 10. So this will become 5a plus 4b minus 2ab minus 10 is equivalent to 0. Minus 10 is equivalent to 0. Another very important key point, AB, degree of the equation it is 2. If the degree of the equation it is 2, how to find out the values for the variables? Write down the equation as a product of two factors. If the expression has got a degree 2, how to find out the values? Write the equation as a product of two factors. 5a plus 4b minus 2b. 5a plus 2b. That means if I take a common in first and third, a into 5 minus 2a. A into 5 minus 2a. Are you all with me? If I take minus 2 common here, it will be 5 minus 2b. It is 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. Are you all with me? A common, 5 minus 2b, it is not a. 2b. 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Minus into minus plus 4b. So this will become a minus 2 into 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. Are you all with me? Two cases we got. If the product of two are 0, either this can be 0 or this can be 0. 0 into anything 0, anything into 0, it is 0. A minus 2 into 5 minus 2b equivalent to 0. Case 1. A minus 2 is equivalent to 0. A minus 2 is equivalent to 0. Case 2. Now I think it is simple substitution, you will get the value. Case 2. Case 2, what it is? 5 minus 2b. 5 minus 2b is equivalent to 0. 5 equivalent to 2b. b equivalent to 5 by 2. Here a is equivalent to 2. For corresponding values of a, I will get the values of b. How to get the values of b? 4 minus a by b. 4 minus a by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by a. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by b is equivalent to 5 minus b by 2. So 4 equivalent to b into 5 minus b. b into 5 minus b. I hope it is clear. So it is 1 into 4 or 4 into 1. b is 1. 5 minus 1, it is 4. That means if a is 2, b can be 1 or 4. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly here it is 4 minus a by 5 by 2 equivalent to 5 minus 5 by 2 divided by a. 4 minus a into 2 by 5 is equivalent to 10 minus 5. 5 by 2 into 1 by a. Into 1 by a. So 4 minus a into a equivalent to 25 by 4. Calculate the value of a, that will give us the corresponding values. First question clear? First question, what are the concepts that we discussed? If multiple fractions are given, it is equivalent to sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. If two fractions are given, it is also equivalent to difference in the numerators by difference in the denominators. Difference in the numerators. Again I am explaining you the structure, how I solved this question. First thing is, I observed the question, denominator it is a square, here it is a, so I multiplied it with a, numerator and denominator. Denominator it is b, multiplied it with b and b, numerator and denominator. Here it is a square plus b square. That means I have to use the concept of sum of the denominators. Sum of the denominators concept I discussed. I hope it is very, very clear to you. Kindly reply with yes if it is perfectly clear to you. Any doubts are there in any of these questions? First question, I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody, here I am not finding the value of b. I think easily you can factorize 4a minus a square equivalent to 25 by 4. Factorize it and find the value of a. Find the value of a. I hope everybody it is clear to you. First question, see how simple very simple concept can be given as a question. Generally, most of the students, what they do is they fear looking at a question. They fear looking at a question. Possibly it could be because connecting the dots with the concepts that we are so habituated with. Teacher solves 100 problems and we make a notes and we repeat that 100 problem, we solve it 10 times. But competitive examination is not like that. Idea in my class is to increase your thinking ability, increase your logical ability, so that even if the question changes, answer also changes. I don't want me to be an substitute to the answer key. I think in my class you should learn the structured way of learning mechanism. You should understand that how Anil sir is thinking solving this question. How Anil sir is thinking solving this question. Second question, see this question. See this question. Calculate the ratio of shaded red region to the blue region. So there is a diagram that is given. Calculate the area of shaded red region to the shaded blue region. This region is to this region. We have to find out the ratio. As usual, for me to check whether you are able to solve it, give it a try. It is okay absolutely if you are not getting the answer, because anyway I will solve each and every question in Anil Nair's way. But for me it's very important that you should give it a try. This class is going to be a unique class. Only serious and sincere students will enjoy this class, because in any of my classes there will be no entertainment. I will never discuss anything other than the academics which is required for student success. My time is extremely important. Please respect my time. I will also respect your time. I am not interested in having thousands of likes, 2,000 of shares. If you find the subject unique, if you find the teacher making you increase the learning curve, obviously you will be a part of it. We are all teachers with 15 plus years of experience, sir. We are not into these childish games. What is the answer? Anybody answers? Calculate the ratio of shaded area red region to the shaded blue region. This region to this region, we have to find it out. First thing is, again and again I will repeat, read the question again and again. Somewhere you will get an idea. So what is first it is given? So there is a quadrant of a circle, there is a semicircle, there is another sector with angle 45 degrees. And what else is given? This is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Calculate the area of shaded red region to the shaded blue region. Listen carefully, sir. So we want, okay, because it is red, let me use that red. Listen carefully, sir. First thing, see here, sir. See here. This is a semicircle. Are you all with me? This is a semicircle. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of semicircle pi r square by 2. Let this be a center. This is the radius. So center to this one, this will also be a radius. Let me call this portion as 1 and this portion as 2. So 1 plus 2, it is pi r square by 2. Are you all with me? 1 plus 2, it is pi r square by 2. So because it is given 90 degrees, area of semicircle, total area it is pi r square, semicircle area it is pi r square by 2. What else is given in this question? Okay, this is given as 45 degrees. What is this one? This is a sector. Area of a sector. Theta by 360 into pi into radius whole square. Theta it is given as 45 by 360 into pi into radius for this. This is the center. From here to here it is 2r. So it is 4r square. 45 8s are pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. What is the area of the sector? 1 plus 3. What is the area of the sector? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equivalent to 1 plus 2. 2 is equivalent to 3. 2 it is called the blue region, 3 it is called the red region. Answer is 1 is to 1. Answer is 1 is to 1. If you see these sector, this sector, this is the center to any point on the circumference, it is a radius. Theta by 360, theta it is given as 45 by 360 into pi into, from here to here it is r, here it is r. This is a sector, are you all with me? So theta by 360, area of this sector it is 2r whole square. So answer is 1 is to 1. Another very beautiful question. Just by visualization you will get the answer as 2 and 3 both are equal. Second question is based on geometry. Third one, oh, this is a very beautiful question, sir. This is a very beautiful question. Calculate x. This is a beautiful combination of algebra plus number system question. As I told you, each and every question is a very beautiful question. Calculate x. 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x. 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x is equivalent to 39. What most of the students will do, nothing is given in the question. So x is a real number. X can be a rational number, x can be an irrational number, x can be an integer, x may not be an integer, it can be anything. Nothing is specified about the question. Our Indian teachers have made us solve so many questions. They'll keep substituting value. X value 0, x value 1, x value 2. All these will not work in my kind of problems. Calculate x. 2 power x, 4 power x plus 8 power x is equivalent to 39. 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x. So this will be 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x is equivalent to 39. Read the question again. 2 power x plus 4 power x plus 8 power x. 4 is 2 square. Yes or no? 8 is 2 cube. Okay, that is the first observation after you read the question. Step 1. 2 power x. 4 is 2 power 2x. 8 is 2 power 3x. Equivalent to 39. Everything base I made it to 2. Step number 2. I can write this as 2 power x plus 2 power x whole square. A power m power n is a power m into n. A power m power n. 2 power x power 3. It is 39. So let 2 power x it is equivalent to a. If it is equivalent to a plus a square plus a cube is equivalent to 39. In every term a is there. A into 1 plus a square. It is equivalent to 39. 1 plus a square. It is equivalent to 39. Now listen carefully. 1 plus a square. It is of the form a square plus a plus 1. Coefficient of a square. It is 1. It is greater than 0. Discriminant for quadratic b square minus 4ac. 1 minus 4 minus 3 less than 0. That means if there is a quadratic expression, px square plus qx plus r, the value of these will always be positive when p is greater than 0 and discriminant is less than 0. Just this year cat, there is a question based upon these concept. When a quadratic expression will be greater than 0, when the coefficient of x square is greater than 0 and the discriminant is less than 0. That means the graph will be like this, or like this, or like this, up above the x-axis. First quadrant x positive, y positive. Second quadrant x negative, y positive. If a graph is up above the x-axis, if a graph is up above the x-axis, y value will always be positive. That means, why am I doing this one? 39 can be written as 1 into 39 minus 1 into minus 39. X is a real number here. There are many ways to write it, but this has given an idea. A into 1 plus a square. It is equivalent to 39. It is equivalent to 39. 1 into 39 minus 1 into minus 39 minus 3 into minus 13 minus 13 into minus 3. These are the many ways. Out of these ways, what is that we discussed? A square plus a plus 1, it is always greater than 0. Because it is always greater than 0, which all cases can be eliminated? This case can be eliminated. This case can be eliminated. These minus, sir. This case can be eliminated. This case can be eliminated. So what are the cases? One more case we forgot to write. 3 into 13. 3 into 13. 3 into 13 or minus 3 into, that also case we wrote. All these are eliminated. Now think logically, sir. Think logically. 1 into 39. If a is 1, how a square plus a plus 1? It will be 39. This is not possible. Why? Because 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. That means a is 3. 1 plus a square plus a, it is 13. This case it is possible. So a is 3. But what is a? 2 power x, it is 3. What is x value? Log 3 base 2. What is x value? Log 3 base 2. Have you seen a very wonderful question where number system property and an algebra property are combined together? This is the very, very beautiful problem. The first thing is, I read the question. 4 is 2 square, 8 is 2 power 3. 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 2 power 3x. It is 39. A power n is a power m into n. 2 power x, if it is a square plus a square plus a cube, a common, a into 1 plus a square, it is 39. This is a quadratic expression. Quadratic expression is greater than 0 when the coefficient of x square is greater than 0 and the discriminant less than 0. Yes, this following that one. That means this should be a positive value. This negative not possible, negative not possible, negative not possible. If a is 1, 1 plus a square, how can it be 39? Not possible. So answer is a is 3. 2 power x equivalent to 3, x equivalent to log 3 base 2. I hope you understood the logic. Kindly reply in case if you understood the logic. Very clear, very interesting questions we are going to discuss. Idea is to create a questions which are very close to the examination standard and elevate your thinking process. The best thing about my classes is you will not, generally I am a person who takes a less number of classes because I sit and prepare my own lectures. I sit and develop questions. I sit and create a structure to the class. I don't take just the previous year questions and look at the solution. I sit and analyze how this question level of difficulty can be increased. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Another beautiful question, sir. Another beautiful question. What I did is, when I created this question, I generally give this question to my team members and ask them, try to solve this question. They say, sir, wow, this question is something students will love to solve. See this question. Calculate x. Calculate x. x power 3 is equivalent to 36. Try to solve, sir. Amazing session it is going to be. In case If you are enjoying it and you think, right, respecting my time and effort in creating these questions which increases your intellectual ability, kindly, if you think it deserves a like, give a like. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. Try to solve this question. Solve this question. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. 1 minute time. I want each and everyone to sit and spend time on this question. Spend time. In case if you are somebody who is a mathematics lover, you will definitely love these classes, sir. Time over? Right. Now see here. Question. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. First thing, nothing is given about this question. X is a real number. X is a real number. First thing, we will not get any head and tail out of this question. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. So, we probably x cube, if I apply logarithm, should I apply logarithm? So what is this question? Now this is a very simple surds and indices question. This is a very simple surds and indices question. I hope you are right. You will fall in love with the way that this question is solved. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. Now see here. Find the value of x which satisfies this equation. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. X power 3 is equivalent to 36. Power is of the form x cube. Power is of the form x cube. Very simple property I am using it to solve this question. There is a property a power m. Power m is a power n power m, which is equal, both are equal. These are enough, not even m into n that is required. So what I will do is, I will cube it on both the sides. Cube on both the sides. If I cube on both the sides, x power 3 is equivalent to 36 power 3. 36 power 3. Are you all with me? So a power m power n, this can be written as a power n power 3 is equivalent to 36 power 3. Are you all with me? 36 power 3. So what we have to do it now, if you see here, x cube, I hope the idea it is clear. Power 3 I did it. X cube power x cube equivalent to 36 cube. If I write the expression like this, I will get the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. If I write the expression, 236 is 2 square into 3 square. It is 2 square into 3 square power 3, which is 2 power 6 into 3 power 6, which is 6 power 6. X cube power x cube equivalent to 6 power 6. What is x cube value? 6. What is x value? 6 power 1 by 3. 6 power 1 by 3. I hope the idea it is clear. If you just think logically, 6 power 1 by 3, 6 power 1 by 3, power 6 power x cube, it is 6, which is 6 square, which is 36. I hope the idea it is clear. If answer options are there, you would have easily picked out and substituted. Idea is to tell you, see, the root cause of this problem is x power 3 is 36. power it is x cube. So I cubed on both the sides. If I cube it on both the sides, so a power m power n is a power n into m, x cube power x cube. These base and power should be same. 36 is 2 square into 3 square whole cube. 2 power 6 into 3 power 6, 6 power 6. X cube it is 6. X will be 6 power 1 by 3. X will be, once you get the answer, the idea will strike immediately. X cube it is 6. 6 power 1 by 3 power square, power 6, 6 into 1 by 3 it is 6, 6 square it is 36. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. Very similar this kind of questions are coming in CAT. I removed this answer option because in an examination like CAT, sometimes you have to plug in the answer key. Fourth question, I hope it is clear. Let me see if there is any other question similar to this question. Similar to this question, let me see. See here, this is the question. X power 5, x power 5 is equivalent to 100. Simple, do power 5 on both the sides. X power 5, power 5, it is equivalent to 100 power 5. It is x power 5. Power x power 5, power x power 5, 100 it is 10 square power 5, 10 power 10, 10 power 10. So this is 10 power 10. X power 5 it is 10. X value will be 10 power 1 by 5. X value will be 10 power 1 by 5. I hope the idea it is clear. X will be 10 power 1 by 5. This is a very different, unique kind of questions which you might expect in your examination. I hope it is clear. If it is power 5, I did fifth power on both the sides. I did fifth power on both the sides. I did fifth power on both the sides. If it is power 3, I did cubed power on both the sides. Cubed power on both the sides. 18th question, I hope the idea it is very clear. 18th question, idea it is very clear. Now let us see if there are any other questions are there. So how many questions we did it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you see here. This is the question. Calculate the value of x. X square plus 2x whole square equivalent to minus 1 by 2 into x cube minus 1. Take another 1 minute time. Try to solve this question. All the questions are fresh, newly curated content which probably you might not find in any of the YouTube channels. You can sit and spend days, hours, months to check it out. You will not find this kind of absolutely newly curated content. There is a difference between an author taking the class and somebody, right, who just see the solution key and replicates the solution in the YouTube class. I don't take a class like that where students keep on answering the question, they already know it. In my class, students should learn some concept. If they are not learning in my class, then probably I am not a teacher. I am somebody who is just mimicking the solution key. There is a difference between a mentor and a good teacher. X square plus 2x whole square. Any question? Anything? Please try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. I think it's time up. Very a simple question created from algebraic identities. Algebraic identities is an extremely important chapter which is asked in almost all examination where algebra is a part of it. X square plus 2x whole square equivalent to minus 1 by 2 into x cube minus 1. This is the question. Sir, what is the property you are using? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now listen carefully. Because here it is x cube minus 1. So x cube minus 1, it is equivalent to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. X square plus 1. First I wrote these like this. Then I saw the left hand side. Left hand side is x square plus 2x. Right hand side is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now suddenly I realized if I add these two, x square, x plus x is 2x, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. That means left hand side, this value is actually the sum of these two values. That is the root cause of the problem. So this can be written as x minus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equivalent to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. So what we will do is, we will simplify this equation by giving some variables to it. Let these be p, let these be q. So this will become p plus q whole square is equivalent to minus 1 by 2 into p into q. Are you all with me? Cross multiply. So this will become 2 into p plus q whole square. It is equivalent to minus pq. So this will become 2p square plus q square plus 2pq. It is equivalent to minus pq. That means 2p square plus 2q square, 4pq plus 5pq is equivalent to 0. This is the final equation which I got. What is that equation? 2p square plus 5pq plus 2q square is equivalent to 0. If I factorize this one, 2p square plus 4pq plus pq plus 2q square is equivalent to 0. 2p common. This will become p plus 2q plus q common. P plus 2q is equivalent to 0. That means case 1, 2p plus q is equivalent to 0. Or case 2, p plus 2q is equivalent to 0. Why it is? Because if I simplify it, 2p plus q into p plus 2q is equivalent to 0. So 2p is equivalent to minus q. P value it is x minus 1. Q value it is x square plus x plus 1. So 2x minus 2 is equivalent to minus x square minus x minus 1. So x square plus 3x. Are you all with me? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 equivalent to 0. I will get value of x here. Are you all with me? Similarly, p is equivalent to minus 2q. X minus 1 equivalent to minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Solve these quadratic, you will get the value of x. Solve this quadratic, you will get the value of x. Very, very good question. These are all steps which you can do it very naturally. Only thing you should get is, if I square this one, I will get into power 4. Power 4 will make this question very, very complex. The entire root cause of this problem is the only learning from this question. Every class I am saying at the top of my voice, read the question again twice or thrice. You will get the root cause from the question itself. X minus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1. These sum is equivalent to x square plus 2x. Kindly do not square this one and get into some complex polynomial equations. Very simple question. Just write this one as this to give a p value q. Afterwards it is very simple. Afterwards, it's a simple solving of polynomial equations. Again, I am repeating, fifth question. Idea is x square plus 2x is x minus 1 plus x square plus x plus 1. Fourth question. Idea it is cubing on both the sides. Fifth one, quadratic expression maxima and minima. None of the questions are difficult. It looks like difficult, but actually they are all easy questions. They are all easy questions. I hope the idea it is clear. Just learn the ideas and move on. Learn the ideas and move on. Another question, this is a very easy question. Very, very easy question. We will also create one more question. First thing is, it is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. 888, 1110. 888. This is 4 into 222. This is 5 into 222. 5 into 222. 5 into 222. Sir, directly how you got the idea that it is 5 into 222, 4 into 222, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 3 into 222. 3 into 222, which is 666. Which is 666. Listen carefully, sir. A lot of very important concepts from this question. Not interested in solving the question, but discussing some concept. Concept. Listen carefully. Concept. Very, very important. Any digit written in groups of 3. Any digit written in groups of 3 is always divisible by 37. Any digit written in groups of 3, it is always divisible by 37. Sir, why it is happening? 111, it is 37 into 3. 222, it is 37 into 6. Are you all with me? Suppose, second point. Sir, what if it is 2222222? How you prove it? How you prove it? 37 into 27. 37 into 27 is 999. If you multiply 37 with 27, you will get 999. Reminder, 10 cube divided by 37. 10 cube it is 1000. 1000 it is 999 plus 1 divided by 37. 999 is perfectly divided by 37. What is the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. So, second point. Start from right hand side. Second point. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits. Add them. This is the divisibility rule for 37. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. I hope you can see the down part, otherwise I'll try to write it. Any digit written in groups of 3, this is the first learning. If a digit is written in groups of 3, it is always divisible by 37. So groups of 3, 2 examples. What if the digits are more? 222. 10 cube divided by 37. 10 cube it is 1000. 1000 can be written as 999 plus 1. 999 is perfectly divisible. So answer it is 1. So start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Suppose if the options are 666, 646, 626, 676, 676. If the options are like this, 666, 626, 646 and 676. Listen carefully. 888. 888 is any digit written in groups of 3. It is always divisible by 37. This is divisible by 37. If it is more digits, start from right hand side. Take a group of 3 digits and add them. 110 plus 1, 111. any digit written in groups of 3, it is always divisible by 37. This is divisible by 37. This side is divisible by 30. This side square plus this square, it is this square. So these is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 37, not 7. These hypotenuse divisible by 37. Side is also divisible by 37. Height is also should be divisible by 37. Any digit written in groups of 3, it is always divisible by 37. I hope you understood how to eliminate the answer options. How to eliminate the answer options. The questions can be very, very complex, but you can solve it very, very easily once you understand the divisibility rule. Suppose question can also be like this. Question can also be like this. It is 55, 55. It is 44, 44. It is how much? 55, 55, 44, 44, and it is how much? Listen carefully. Another concept. Every question we will discuss the concept. We will not just solve the problem. Reminder 1. 10 square divided by 101. 100 divided by 101. It is minus 1. Are you all with me? So, what is the divisibility rule for 101? Divisibility rule for 101 is divisibility rule for 101. What is the divisibility rule for 101? Start from right hand side. Start from right hand side. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Take a group of 2 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Alternatively add and subtract. Why alternatively add and subtract? Why? Because 10 square divided by 101 is minus 1. 10 power 4 will become 10 square whole square. Minus 1 square, it is 1. Take a group of 2 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. This is divisible by 101. Take a group of 2 digits. This is divisible by 101. This should also be divisible by 101. If options are like this, 33, 32, 33, 333, 23, 333, 34, 333. You don't need to find it out. Take a group of 2 digits. Alternatively add and subtract. Answer should be divisible by 101. 33 minus 33. 0. I hope the idea it is clear. You can also use the divisibility rules to find out, to eliminate incorrect answer option. I hope this idea it is clear. Idea is to tell you, please do not do 111 square minus 888 square and show your mathematical genius. Just read the question. Oh, 888. 888 is 8 written 3 times. Any digit written 3 times, it is divisible by 37. This is divisible by 37. 1110. Take a group of 3 digits and add. 111 also it is divisible by 37. This is divisible by 37. These are divisible by 37. Answer should be divisible by 37. So 666 is divisible by 37. I hope the idea it is clear. Everybody kindly reply in case if the idea it is very clear. Every question. Now this question we can do it in next class. One easy question which we will take it. These are all the questions which we are going to solve. Okay. This 14th question which we will see. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, it is 3. If you observe x into x plus 3. X into x plus 3. It is x square plus 3x. X plus 1 into x plus 2. It is x square plus 3x plus 2. It is equivalent to 3. X square plus 3x, it is a. If I call it as a into a plus 2 is equivalent to 3. This can be written as 1 into 3 or minus 3 into minus 1. Are you all with me? So, a is 1, a plus 2 it is 3, 1 plus 2, 3. A is minus 3, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. So, a can be 1 or minus 3. What is a value? x square plus 3x. X square plus 3x equivalent to 1. X square plus 3x equivalent to minus 3. So this x square plus 3x plus 2 equivalent to 3. Okay, you can factorize it. Okay, this is not becoming a square function. So this will be x square plus 3x minus 1 equivalent to 0. X square plus 3x plus 3 equivalent to 0. You can use the expansion minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a to get this answer. Minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Idea is x into x plus 3, it is x square plus 3x. X square plus 3x, call it a value. A into a plus 2 equivalent to 3. 1 into 3 or minus 3 into minus 1. A can take 1 or minus 3. What is a value? X square plus 3x or x square plus 3x can be 1 or minus 3. I hope the idea it is clear. 14th, we will take one small question, then we will. These are all the questions which we will discuss in all our classes. Now, this one. See this question. Find x value, find y value, find z value. X plus y plus xy equivalent to 89. These are the most repeated. There has not been any paper from CAT or XAT where the questions are not from integral solutions. Where the questions are not from integral solutions. Listen carefully. X is how much, y is how much, z is how much. X plus y plus xy equivalent to 89. X plus z plus xz equivalent to 124. Y plus z plus yz equivalent to 449. Take 1 minute and try to solve this question. 1 minute, try to solve this question. First thing, again and again I am emphasizing, kindly read the question. Kindly read the question. Kindly understand the root cause of the problem. Kindly understand the root cause of the problem. Every question is a very beautiful question selected. Very beautiful questions selected. Any doubts are there? Kindly mention. I hope you are all enjoying the class. Kindly reply in case if you are enjoying these very beautiful, unique, new content created. None of these questions you will find it in any of these channels. X is how much, y is how much, z is how much. X plus y plus xy is 89. X plus z plus xz is 124. Y plus z plus yz is 449. Now, how to solve these questions? Now, see here. X plus y plus xy equivalent to 89. What is the degree of these equation? 2. Degree of these equation 2. Degree of these equation 2. If the degree of the equation, if it is 2, if the degree of the equation it is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Write the equation as a product of two factors. Write the equation as a product of two factors. Write the equation as a product of two factors. So if I add 1 on both the sides, 89 plus 1, 90. So this will become 1 plus x into 1 plus y. It is 90. Are you all with me? 1 ones are 1. Y plus x plus xy. 1 plus x plus 1 plus x into 1 plus y. It is 90. Similarly, if I do the second expression, I will get 1 plus x into 1 plus z. 124 plus 1. 125. If I do the third one, 1 plus y into 1 plus z, it is equivalent to 449 plus 1, 450. 1 plus x into 1 plus y, 90. 1 plus x into 1 plus z, 125. 1 plus y into 1 plus z, 450. If I square all this, 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z, whole square is equivalent to whole square is equivalent to 90 into 125 into 450 whole square. 90 into 125 into 450. 0, 0 outside 10 square. So outside I will get 0, 0. 9 it is 3 square. 125 5 cube. 45 it is 5 into 9. So 3 square into 5 power 4 into 3 square. 3 square into 5 power 4 into 3 square. So this will become 3 square into 5 power 4 into 3 square into, okay, I'll write down here. I hope till here the idea it is clear. Now it is just a calculation, sir. So 9 it is 3 square. Here 3 square it is there. Here 3 square it is there. So 3 power 4. 125 5 cube, 5 power 4, 45 5 into 9. It is 5 power 4, 5 power 4 into 100, 100 it is 10 square whole square. Are you all with me? So 1 plus x into 1 plus y into 1 plus z is 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 into 10 square. Suppose 1 plus y into 1 plus z. If I substitute this value here, I will get the value of x. If I substitute 1 plus x, 1 plus z, I will get the value of y. If I substitute 1 plus x, 1 plus y, I will get the value of z. X value, y value, z value. It is very, very clear by doing this one. Only thing, this entire thing, it is nothing but a simplification. I am not interested in this simplification. The degree of the equation, it is 2. If the degree it is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Adding 1 to left hand side and right hand side. If you get that idea, you will get this answer. Adding 1 to left hand side and right hand side. 1 plus x into 1 plus y. 1 plus y into 1 plus z. 1 plus z into 1 plus x. 90, 125, 450. Rest everything it is a calculation. I hope you enjoyed the first half of best aptitude sessions. Close to about good questions that we discussed. In the next class, I will take the first question and I will discuss some more very, very good concepts based upon this concept. Kindly do not miss attending any of this session based upon this one. Based upon concept 1, we did not discuss. First question, I hope the idea it is clear. Learning it is sum of the numerator by sum of the denominator is equivalent to numerator by denominator. Then logic. I will discuss some problems in the second class based upon this one. First one. Second question it is area of shaded region, area of sector. Third one it is quadratic equation, maxima and minimum. Fourth question, new variety of questions, cube on both the sides. Fifth, left hand side is equivalent to sum of the terms. How to solve it? I hope the idea it is clear. Sixth question, how to use the divisibility rule in Pythagorean triplet. Remaining questions, we will solve it again. Again, we will catch up at 3 o'clock to discuss some very, very good questions. This class can be viewed only for the enrolled students. In case if you are not enrolled, you can always WhatsApp 80500 67891 to know more about the course details. 80500 67891. You can download our ANC app to know more about the course details. Thanks a lot for attending the session. We will be back at 3 o'clock with another scintillating questions. Thank you. With love, ANIL NAIR.